Bulk Image Generator AI is one of the latest and most exciting AI software tools just released, and today we're going to walk through the 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. This software promises to revolutionize the way we create images for websites, social media, ads, and more. And if you're wondering whether it lives up to the hype, stick around because we're diving deep. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, I want to let you know that you can actually try Bulk Image Generator AI for free using the first link in the description below. So, if you're someone who's curious to test out this software for yourself without any commitment, definitely take advantage of that. Let's talk about the first crucial thing you need to know. Bulk Image Generator AI is designed to help users create large batches of images quickly. The software uses advanced machine learning models to understand your image generation requests and deliver multiple high-quality results in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Whether you need images for marketing campaigns or a series of blog posts, this tool can handle high-volume tasks with ease. One of the standout features is its simplicity. Even if you're a complete beginner with no graphic design experience, you can use Bulk Image Generator AI to generate professional-grade images. You simply input the keywords or prompts related to the type of image you need, and the software handles the rest. It's built for users who don't have time to learn complex tools or hire a designer. And for those of you with more experience, it gives you just enough customization to fine-tune your results without bogging you down with unnecessary options. Another key feature to keep in mind is the variety of styles it offers. Bulk Image Generator AI isn't just about creating stock images. It allows for a wide range of visual styles, from minimalist to highly detailed, ensuring that you can fit the tone of your brand or project perfectly. Whether you're creating images for social media posts, product advertisements, or even website banners. This software makes it easy to align visuals with your message. What's also great is the software's ability to integrate with other tools. This can be a game changer for marketers and digital content creators who rely on tools like social media schedulers, ad platforms, and other design tools. Bulk Image Generator AI plays well with the rest of your tech stack, meaning you won't have to juggle multiple platforms to create and publish your images. Now, let's talk about the speed. If you've ever needed to produce images in bulk before, you know how time-consuming it can be. With Bulk Image Generator AI, you can generate hundreds of images in minutes, drastically cutting down your workload. This feature is especially useful for businesses that need to create lots of content but don't have the resources to manually design everything. However, it's important to note that while Bulk Image Generator AI is highly efficient, there are still some limitations. While it's a great tool for generating a wide variety of images, it's not perfect for every single type of image request. If you need ultra-specific custom graphics or need images with specific licensing, you might still need to rely on more traditional design methods. Finally, let's talk about cost. While the software is free to try, the premium plans do come at a price. But considering the time and money it saves on outsourcing image design, the subscription could be a no-brainer for businesses or content creators looking for a fast and reliable image generation solution. So, is Bulk Image Generator AI worth your time? Absolutely. If you're looking for a tool that can create high-quality, customized images in bulk, it's definitely worth checking out. As I mentioned earlier, you can try it completely free through the link in the description below, and after trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my recommended list of AI software that you can also try for free, so be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching.